Hey good people, how you guys doing on this lovely Saturday? It is Zena, a.k.a. Sugar Mom. That's what my grandbabies call me. But right now I am getting ready to build me a pizza. I cooked one for my grandson already and I'm going to take you guys along with me. Welcome to my channel. Now let's get to cooking this pizza. Alright, so let's get into it. I am going to use this right here. I've already cooked my grandson one. It's a bowl, so that's that. And then I'm going to use some cheap traditional pizza sauce that I got from the store. We're just going to put that on here. Italian season. So we'll just shake some of that on there. To add fennel seeds. These are fennel seeds. I'm going to add some cheese. Look, can't really see it because my camera's not up high, but it's some shredded cheap cheese that I bought from the grocery store. We had tacos last week. So I'm gonna put that on there. Mozzarella cheese. I have some sausage. And then I have some basil and parsley. Oh, my basil went bad. I was using this basil so it don't go bad. So it's some parsley and basil. This is parsley. And the basil went bad, but it's a couple of pieces in here. I'll use that. So we'll put that on here, Some cheese, because I like cheese. Then I'm going to add a little of this, the bruschetta. Shake a little bit of that on there. Some more fennel seeds. More Italian season. Ouch. All right, so let me take a bite of this pizza and let's see how I go. Got a nice crunch to it. I actually like this pizza crust. It's always nice and crunchy. See all the fennel seeds? I love fennel seeds on my pizza.